tactical analysis on Ghana Premier League done in Iniesta TV and I hear the bremo near you prove say over subscribing to the YouTube channel abribia ye de shows ebeba no ebe signal na akyerese to done in Iniesta TV e dey show aba enti ko share na e share e wo sakwan so na onua no adamfo bi so nya kwan etimi ahwe show no e wo ho anymre Accra has to folk and I person ye tactical board no ye de call so ye tell system and Juma coach Edward Odu and na powerful ebo ewo how to folk 11 Richard Atta number 2 and then no Abrantie Fatal Mohammed and ebo and so and the Smiler atu ewo ho sakwan so okọ 3 na Emmanuel Denchi na William Denchi na obo enso and then Randy Oboka the Congolese international enso atu ewo ehono se oba central pair na Mo Al-Hassan Mohammed Al-Hassan ene Abrantie Ida Ejare anase Robert Adu ena ebo Oko mfimfin wa ye wo Benjamin Efutu and Sam Frederick Botwe Emmanuel Nati ena ebo midfield no ena up front no Kofi Koji Eso ena Abrante Daniel Afuyi me wo Efutu e de ma Daniel Afuyi se otiemi a oye indecisive Daniel Afuyi obi a onadwe no emfa entem ema no so do 18 and I say the final third ontimi ehunu se almost shot and I say if you on pass it near was a ball shot and I say of finishing or not or pass it now opponent no I impede person ewo the final third and so as a striker final third no over person over show prowess of striking prowess and then he striking prowess over shooting one traitor a good striker ewo and teammate two than a few bannier effort say and can a final third no obey shooting ewo one man a bit me aboa no ewo sakwan so and say going forward has a folk team no after match day 14 and I said after 14 league matches no how to folk had a 9 on the league log with one outstanding now on a king facer for airball before set coronavirus never banner or manteni ever relief press at their 40 and I pause league no na efe for so dey community aba bonte no na nka Edward and how to folk any Kinfresa ebo ewo Techman Amian Park and so corona and makwan how to folk wa 14 league matches no over 3 loss how to folk ewo 3 loss how to folk ewo 6 draws and 5 wins and how to folk about draw 6 wa lusu miensa and we winning enum how to folk after 3 losses no na was say and they omo check top for nimu and I say and they omo that baby papa ye and so draw na wa ball e wo league no adults empty and then our 9th place and I say 9th on the league log e was sakwan so how to folk empty mbo ra top 4 no ayedin amano but if you can consider other matrices, we better consider other matrices. Ye dey define league table no Emma league bia was as so and that and yet win kwa and I say losing kwa them no win draw lose no and obetimi e define it sir any man ewo how to focus 6 draws now or ball as a team no and I say as a club no at the 12 points and everyone check and I say 12 points in a free or my banima and then anka 12 points no eka 21 now one kasa ubetumi actually how to focus be bread any baby obeda e wo league table no and so 12 points no eko and o ma retaining 12 so e wo sa kwan no so and then how to focus a club going forward no and that 12 points has taken them away from the right spot. And the moment we right spot no ntiaka o meda baby papa ye that will place them in the right position in the race naka and the moment to baby ye e wo league no so sanka o mutumi take your chances e win some match no e wo one man anya draw how to focus e wo positive ball distribution e wo ho nya yenim enkane no se eso ene Kofi Koji ene ebi abane na omo ehye anase omo contribute emma goals no etimi eba emma team no enso ende after omo last game omo ball Manchester derby against Olympics no midfielders no etimi asori edina wonam nso a automatic mantle no wo ho no enti omo goal distribution no emu atre enye structures nde enkwa on paper na ehye utbet me ko match mu a ye tactical analysis anase ye analysis ama how to focus but make say defenders bit say Emmanuel Nate any Benjamin Efutu ebetimi akoso havoc obetimi assist ashe goals no one say Efutu or ye midfielder one match etimi ball bracer e try how proactive midfielders how to focus no ball ho no the next strikers nkwa na ema omu in the last 14 games league ni mu no how to focus club bi a omabo omu body year pa say onya 12 onya 6 draws 5 wins and then 3 loss sapa no so along how to focus along with Sharks Emilian Sharks are the only club failed to lose a single match in the last 5 games. Last 5 games no how to focus any Emilian Sharks na omu concede and I say omu enya lose in a single game omu nya lose either draw and I say obe win sapa so enti positive Emma Accra House of Folk and 5 games no 60% low scoring draw 60% low scoring draw it was 60% no how to cope omo ehye and I say omo ho dey omo motivation no fam kakra honum matches bi o ma na winnable matches against Carrera and against Inter Allies na matches na say how to cope so win against Carrera obo takwa compact no bet boy bibi kakra no bet ma win match no honum against Inter Allies or in home of year to no year ako win some match no or Hindia Sports Stadium honum and so when to me amfa winner or compare draw some matches no other 2 games no and so na mabobo so actually how to folk fans and done in TV fans no how to folk strength will put that one down they how to folk strength no ever to kakra near jump into other areas wo league ni mu a betumi abo how to folk going forward no omo betumi abebo adwuma yie ama etumi abo omo saa kwan no so saa kwan no so how to folk abo adwuma yie league ni mu a ebo omo yie mathematically league ni so a push omo a no ma betumi aye dan free banye no player bia on any day our golden opportunity or golden zone ni ma final third no say obetimi finish one man so say na medical kan no or like shooting instinct no any piercing passing no one man obetimi abo ne homebody etu ayi na Kim Grant any Yashwashi body bibi papa how to folk and so and then your person be question omo project na omo because the lives of Manaf Umar and Michelle Sapon Ben Mensah oye goalkeeper Ejare oye defender and Emmanuel Menta and then Oma Feli se utumi nya Emmanuel Nati and Amsa Botwe and Frank Banier ma omotumi eba quickly in your team now omonya competition etumi acclimatize with situation we have to folk etumi etoso bo eduma yie ewo league ni mu a how relax so boys no aya ye be questioning the predator na Kim Grant and Yashwashi start ewo how to folk and brebia etwem Kim Grant e dey ba bonten and answer on the bar social media be to say we bought 40 matches and 50 matches on use with this players me born mo adin ebo eka o masem say o feli out go sa ni odum project o make ewo how to folk na o be person o be question omo ayi imara nete afuto ba ko so say o person o be drive bribia o be boss shot ewo honum and so ya o ni re fi say to no onne obi na ebo hold no onne obi na ebo hold honum ni re fi enti oko drive a ne echire eba no na problem ne enoma ewo honum how to folk betimi about triangular yeah etimi bo am anasa double pivot row no etimi ebo am in the image of Nibanati any Ben Futu on near trying to echo. There were teams be going forward no omo betumi a tasty relegation zone no anasa omo betumi afori ewon ti say bibia na say eko senia ye ya Heart of Oak ebetuma bowura top 4 ni mu a league no eko na wiya ida say obaji anasa obetumi anya top 4 spotter ebetumi abusu confidence no na the next league no obetumi abo ne ho boden King Faisal only Dreams Liberty Cities ene Karela clubs a omo betumi akọ red zone no going forward say league no resume a no extra say Dreams FC were 14 matches ya no 9/9 while winning enkron wa sha enkron ene ya sha enkron etia no ndi oni goal ono ontumi hye ono anso a o sha dodo ana say ye sha dodo etia no e wo sa kwa nso enti many as 7 teams based on current trend no na say the medical aka no omo betumi afore down wo red zone no e wo hono say omantumi anya omo homework yi a top 6 no trend no eko senior eko ya Heart of Oak no betumi awura top 6 mana so betumi awura top 4 no a enewa ebetumi akoyi ama omo Heart of Oak e wo technical issue only e wo technical issue Cities e wo technical issue me other submission no manye analysis say can technical issue a transfer team no enya beefing up onya adapt onya say ode players for ababeka players that na and then omo team a omo bo adwuma anase omo bo emodern e wo honom ne nso aka won kakra no matuna the technical issues a ha teams no a was omo attending to na etimi ebo omo sakwa nso aha e na on Heart of Oak no technical analysis no ye de beba ewiye e wo sa kwan so